In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a form in Smartsheet. Duplicating a form is really useful when you already have a form set up the way you like it and you just need another version with similar settings, questions, or layout. Instead of rebuilding it from scratch, you can copy it, make a few quick edits, and you're ready to go. First, open your browser and go to Smartsheet, then navigate to the specific sheet that already has the form you want to duplicate. This might be a project sheet, an intake sheet, or any working sheet where forms have been created. Make sure you're on the correct sheet because forms are tied to individual sheets, not your entire workspace. Once your sheet is open, look towards the top or right-hand side of the screen for the Forms option. Go ahead and click on Forms. This area is where Smartsheet keeps all the forms that are associated with the sheet you're currently viewing. From the drop-down or the menu that appears, choose the option called Manage Forms. This opens a panel or window showing a list of every form attached to this sheet. If you have several forms, this is where you can see them all in one place, including which ones are active and which ones are drafts. Next, find the specific form you want to duplicate in that list. You might recognize it by its name or description. Once you've located it, click on it or on the small menu or highlight area next to it. This will usually reveal more options for that form. Among those options, look for the one labeled Duplicate and click on it. Smartsheet will now create a copy of the original form. The duplicate will keep the same fields, field order, and most of the settings, which saves a lot of setup time. After the form is duplicated, Smartsheet will typically open the new copy in the form editor. Here, you'll see that it has a default name, often something like the original name with copy added. Click on the title area to rename your form to something clear and meaningful, so you and your team can easily recognize it later. At this point, you can adjust any fields, change wording, or tweak settings such as confirmation messages and sharing options. When you're done, save your changes. Your duplicated form is now ready to share and use without affecting the original version.